Hey you, hungry? Let's make kimchi rice. We'll start with giving our rice a good rinse. I prefer brown rice for kimchi rice, but you can use whatever you prefer. My rice requires a half-hour soak, then it's off to the stove. It's the same process as white rice. Bring to a boil, then turn down until you see the bubble holes. Turn off and allow to steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, to make the kimchi taste the best, we'll be frying it in butter. This kimchi is from Costco, but if you want to make your own, it's pretty easy. I'll leave a link to my favorite recipe in the pinned comment. Cut into small pieces and make sure you have a cutting board you don't mind getting stained. Kimchi will stain absolutely everything. Fry your kimchi for a few minutes in butter on medium-low heat. Don't be shy with the butter and make sure to spread your kimchi all out on the pan so it all gets a little pan time. Once your kimchi is smelling really good, add your rice. I used around 3/4 of a cup of kimchi and a little over a cup of rice here. Every kimchi is a little different though, so be sure to try a little before you fry it so you know how much will be right for you. Mix well so all the kimchi juice, and butter gets all through your rice, as this will be its only seasoning. In the end, you get this lovely rice. It is so good. Try it with a little feta cheese. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Take care, and I'll see you next time.